Imagine two small businesses in the same market. Business A wastes hours responding to repetitive customer questions. Meanwhile, Business B uses AI to assist with those tasks. What if AI isn't just about replacing people? What if it helps a small team operate at a larger scale? Big companies have large teams and expensive software. AI changes this. Small companies can now leverage affordable AI tools for efficiency. More efficiency creates more capacity. More capacity can lead to greater profits. Here are 10 strategies to optimize your business using AI. First, automate repetitive administrative work. Small businesses often lose time to mundane tasks. Things like drafting emails and organizing notes eat up hours. An AI tool can sort this information and produce drafts. This lets humans focus on critical tasks. Next, use AI to enhance customer support. Answering the same questions repeatedly can drain resources. AI can handle simple inquiries, allowing staff to tackle complex issues. Faster responses may improve customer satisfaction. Third, create better marketing content quickly. Owners often struggle to maintain consistent content. AI can draft posts, emails, and blogs. Think of AI-generated content as a base that needs human input for authenticity. Fourth, personalize customer marketing. Different customers respond to different messages. AI can analyze behaviors and tailor campaigns, making marketing more relevant and effective. Fifth, use AI for sales support. AI organizes leads, summarizes conversations, and drafts follow-up emails. This lets sales teams focus on what really matters, building relationships. Sixth, improve pricing and decision-making. AI can summarize large amounts of data. This helps business owners identify trends and make informed choices based on actual performance. Seventh, reduce waste and improve operations. Profit is not just about making money, it's also about controlling costs. AI can highlight inefficiencies, prompting better practices. Eighth, build a more efficient sales funnel. AI connects different marketing efforts seamlessly, allowing content to serve multiple purposes. One great piece can turn into various marketing avenues. Ninth, give your small team more capability. AI acts as a productivity layer. A small group can achieve much more with AI support, enhancing their competitive edge. 10th, use AI to discover new revenue opportunities. AI can explore new services or customer segments that you hadn't considered. Businesses can brainstorm potential offers based on AI insights. To sum it up, AI plus human expertise plus better processes equals greater business potential. Here are 3 major ways AI can affect profitability. It reduces costs, increases productivity, and opens new revenue opportunities. But remember, using AI isn't the goal. Instead, aim to use AI where it creates measurable value. Now, let's take action. Write down 5 repetitive tasks in your business. Identify what could benefit from AI assistance. Pick one process to start automation. Measure the results. Keep what works and improve what doesn't. AI is not a magic button but a valuable tool. The best businesses will learn to use it effectively to solve real problems. For more insights on AI, business opportunities, and wealth creation, subscribe to Finance Flow. Imagine walking into Business A, where the owner looks overwhelmed, juggling endless inquiries and paperwork. Meanwhile, Business B's owner smiles, watching an AI assistant seamlessly handle customer questions while they focus on strategic planning. This difference highlights the transformative power of AI in small businesses. As time passes, the pressure on business amounts. The owner struggles to answer a ringing phone while drafting a client email. Meanwhile, Business B boasts a well-organized workspace, where notifications alert them only to significant inquiries that require a human touch. The AI handles the mundane, allowing Business B to thrive amidst stiff competition, illustrating a world where efficiency reigns supreme. As the weeks go by, Business A finds itself unable to keep pace, losing clients to competitors who adopt more efficient practices. Each day feels like a battle against time, yet the owner clings to the belief that hard work alone will lead to success. Meanwhile, Business B embraces the opportunity that AI presents, engaging with customers in real time thanks to the insights gathered from their AI tools. These interactions flourish into lasting relationships, and their reputation grows as a business that offers both timely support and personalized service. As Business B's reputation spreads, it begins attracting customers drawn to its reliable service and personalized marketing. Clients rave about their quick responses, while potential customers feel confident reaching out. In contrast, Business A's owner spends more time dealing with complaints than fostering relationships, struggling to maintain loyalty as frustration builds among their clientele. Each missed call or late response only widens the gap, making it increasingly clear that technology has become the defining factor in their respective successes. As Business A watches Business B's growth, the need for change becomes painfully evident, showcasing how swiftly the landscape of small business can shift. With the pressure mounting, Business A finally decides to explore the world of AI. The owner tentatively researches various tools, wonders if they could truly ease their burdens and provide the momentum needed for growth. Meanwhile, Business B continuously refines its processes, regularly analyzing data to improve customer interactions, showing how adaptability can lead to sustained success. As Business A takes the first steps toward implementation, they realize it's not just about technology, it's about embracing a new mindset that values innovation and efficiency. Now, armed with newfound hope, Business A's owner begins drafting a list of repetitive tasks that drain their time. They highlight drafting emails, responding to basic inquiries, and organizing meetings as prime candidates for automation. With each item checked off, a flicker of excitement ignites within. Even small changes could pave the way for significant improvement. Meanwhile, Business B celebrates its most recent customer feedback survey results, glowing reviews showcasing how their quick responses and personalized marketing strategies contribute to a growing base of loyal clients. As Business A implements its first AI tool, the owner watches with a mix of apprehension and anticipation. The AI diligently organizes emails and provides suggested replies, giving the owner more moments to breathe and think strategically. Each time a routine inquiry is handled automatically, the owner feels a wave of relief wash over them. Meanwhile, Business B continues to expand its capabilities, using insights from AI to identify potential new markets, steering their marketing strategies toward untapped customer segments. The contrast between the two businesses becomes starker each passing day, as Business A slowly starts to regain its footing while Business B accelerates forward, proving that with the right tools and mindset, even a small business can rise to new heights and compete effectively. As Business A grows more comfortable with its new AI tool, the owner begins to notice a shift in their daily routine. Emails previously stacked high are now seamlessly organized, enabling them to devote time to strategizing for future growth rather than merely putting out fires. This newfound focus on innovation signals a crucial turning point. Embracing AI has not only allowed Business A to reclaim precious hours but also inspired a renewed optimism for the future. As the owner continues to refine their approach, they realize that technology, combined with human ingenuity, can lead to remarkable transformations. With each success, Business A solidifies its place in the marketplace, illustrating the powerful potential of a balanced partnership between AI and human expertise.